What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the fam. You are looking good today.
Thank you.
Yeah. Do you know what tomorrow is?
Voting day.
Voting day. It's important to get out and vote. Have you ever thought about being president?
Not that much.
Not that much.
Sometimes I do.
Do you know why we vote?
No?
Oh, well, voting is one of the most important rights and responsibilities that we have as a U.S. citizen. And that's why we vote.
Oh.
All right. So we are going to do a very presidential tutorial for you today. So roll it.
Roll it.
Fun fact, did you know our 90s president liked jazz music, saxophones, and interns?
No.
I'll tell you more when you're 18.
Okay. Sounds good with me. Guys, this is why I want to be president. I'm gonna say to everybody in the world, you guys can have as much candy as you want every single day, and you never go to the dentist.
Ooh, that's your campaign promise, huh? All right, well, good luck with that.
And in football, you can punch people.
There you go. How was that tutorial? Pretty good?
Good.
All right.
If you want to see more videos, click the link below.
If you want to see the whole tutorial.
If you want to see the whole tutorial, click the link below.
There you go. See you next time.
Here, kids.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button down below and smash that subscribe button to be part of our design fam. See you next time. Bye!